Hey everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to use Snapchat on your PC step by step. Whether you want to chat, use story or use filter right from your computer, this video will help you out. So let's get started. So guys, to use Snapchat, first of all, open Microsoft Store. So let's do, simply search here Microsoft Store. Okay, open it. So guys, come here and type Snapchat in the search bar. Now click on the Snapchat icon and tap on get and it will start downloading automatically. So as you can see, Snapchat has been downloaded. Now open it from here. So after opening Snapchat, you will need to log in. You can log in using your username, email or phone number. And if you don't have an account, you can also sign up from here, okay, to create a new one. So here I will log in using my phone. So as you can see, I have successfully logged in here using my phone number. Once you open it, you will see this interface. Just click on next to continue. So as you can see, now it's asking me to add my best friend on Snapchat. You can select people from your contact or just search their username here. Okay, if you don't want to add anyone right now, you can simply click on skip. You'll also get your own Snapchat link here that you can share with others to connect. Once done, click on get start to continue. Okay, so here I will choose skip. So as you can see, this is the main Snapchat interface on PC. In the center, you have the camera option. Just click on it to take or send snap. On the left side, you can see your chats and friends list, okay, where you can start conversation or view snap. And on the right side, you will find stories and spotlight videos just like on mobile. Okay, so that's how you can easily use Snapchat on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching the video.